Hi, Kathleen here. I'm wearing Clover by Estetica Designs from their Heat Defiant collection, and this is in the beautiful color. I love this color, R302826. I'm going to unbox to show you what it looks like when you first get one. You got the beautiful box. See that it's really nicely packed up, right? This is in Sunlit Blonde, by the way. You have the tags on it. I haven't even taken a look at it yet. You'll have the tag on here that says its name and the color, Clover, Sunlit Blonde, and you have the Keep a Breast Foundation tag. Take the net off. I keep these nets, and now a lot of people throw them out. I keep them. Oh, I can't wait to get this on. Anyway, and you'll see they have the tissue paper. I love the Velcro adjusters. I'm really glad that Estetica has them on their Heat Defiant collection. Okay, so this is a really cute little bob. The bang is 5.5 to 7 inches, and it's really nice. It feathers back. The sides are 7.5 inches, so you see those. The crown is 9.5. That's from here to here. And the nape is only 2.5. Only 2.5, so it's really nice. And it has a little, Clover has a little bit of a slight stacking, as you can tell, and those little wispy, little tenderly type things. Isn't this color gorgeous? It's a really beautiful color with a really soft root. All right, I gotta get it on, right? I'm gonna take in those Velcro adjusters. I have found the Estetica Heat Defiant collection run a little truer to average. So for my head, I have a 21-inch head. They fit nice, but I still take them in because I don't wear wig grips and all that stuff, so I like to keep it a little snugger. All right, put it on. I can tell already, this is a good one. I shook it up, but if I didn't shake it up, it would be like this. You go, oh, it's so flat. You gotta get in there. You gotta get in there. Now this does come with a middle part, but this has a full monofilament top. No permatease to speak of. I mean, you have some to cover wefts, but as you can tell, this is not a big full wig. And then it has a really nice extended lace front. I like that. Let's show you what she looks like right out of the box before you do anything with her. What I usually do is I always go to the crown first and just kind of massage those knots a little bit, massage the hair. This has been in the box, so it's, you know, needs a little shoo-shooing, right? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the blonde. I couldn't wait to get a lighter blonde for the summer. Oh, she's so cute. Now, she's this cute already, and I'm not even doing much to her. I go underneath so I don't mess up the outer hair too much. I go underneath and play with it and get her fluffed up. And just kind of, you know, play with her. Use your fingers. I kind of do like a claw type thing and just kind of fluff her up. So cute. Now I like how that's gonna do that. It's a little windy out here, so gosh, that is so cute as is, right? Now, I'd like to, you know, get those bangs in there, so I will massage those knots. They all want to it wants to go back, and you can do that. It wants to go back. In other words, this is not a face flopper. I like my bangs to kind of go over my forehead more, so I will kind of play with that, massage those knots a little bit more. See how, that's how I like it, more like that. And that's cute. Okay. All right, that's cute. Okay, so that's if you just want to wear her, you know, part of the middle, the way she comes, like that. I love the back. All right, I'm going to just massage those knots a little bit more. Cute. again, this is Clover by Estetica Designs Heat Defiant Collection, and this color is Sunlit Blonde.